video, we are assembling the bunny box. So this is a small 2x2x2 box to use as a treat box. Thought it would make a good treat box in an Easter basket. Very quick and simple to put together, but also designed in a way that if you want a bigger box, this can be made bigger. Just keep the project grouped together and size it to the size you would like. Okay, so that is why it is in separate pieces, even though it would work as one piece. It's just so you can make this bigger if you want. So I'm just going to start by putting these two pieces together, and then I'm going to assemble my panels. So your front piece is going to be the one that has the heart cut out. That's the nose. And on the piece that has the face, you're going to attach the black behind it. And that is going to give you your eyes and your mouth. Your nose is going to show up as whatever color you make your base box. Okay. Or your bottom box. Whatever you want to call it. And then you're just going to center these pieces. And then you have one for the top. Okay. So we'll set that aside for just 1 second, and then we're going to turn our attention to the ears. Now there are score lines here at the bottom of the ears. You do not want to glue these together to the ear themselves, okay? These are your tabs that will attach your ears to the top of your box. So we're going to glue these face to face. Oops. And then add the centers of the ear. Oh, bummer. Okay. Then we're going to insert this tab into the slit. Fold the tabs up and glue it to the inside of the box. Okay, make sure that wherever you put the centers, that those are facing your face, okay? Then we will close our box up. And I think before I go all the way, I'm going to go ahead and put my bow together. And you just want to find anything. I'm using this poking tool, anything that's round, to kind of curve your bow. It'll just help you get it to stay, because you don't want to fold that down flat. You want to keep your bow like fluffy. And so you just apply glue here to the center, kind of roll it down and in. Do that. Then you put this centerpiece on, and you're going to glue it here on the back, just to better hold everything together. Okay, then glue this to this piece that looks like that. Okay, and now this is for the top here of your box. So your little bunny has a bow. And I think I want to use, I hope this will be big enough. We'll see. Use a little pop dot here. Sticking to my finger. There we go. And I just want to put that kind of right there. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to close the box up. That might be pushing my ears back a little too far. I have to take a look and see. So you want to apply some pressure inside to get these tabs stuck down. And there's the face. So now we're going to put the bottom of the box together. And again, we're just going to fold everything on the score lines. Put these two pieces together. Make sure you've got your tabs on the bottom. You don't want to glue this piece on upside down. Okay, and then this is going to just slide inside. Hopefully I'm not doing it too soon. As you can see, it's got just a little bit of an edge. That way it's easier to open and close. And the pink here is your nose. And that is the bunny box. Thank you for joining me.